In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to convert screenshot to editable Figma. If you've ever had a static screenshot you wanted to turn into real editable layers, this walkthrough will show you a simple way to do it using a Figma plugin powered by AI. First, go to Figma, either in your browser or the desktop app, and open the file where you want the generated design to appear. Having a target file ready helps the plugin place everything in the right spot. Make sure you've got some space on your canvas so you can clearly see the result when it comes in. Next, click the action icon you'll find along the bottom or in the toolbar to open Figma's quick search. This is the easiest way to discover plugins without leaving your current file. In the search field, type Codia to find the tool we need for converting screenshots into editable components. When the results appear, switch over to the Plugins and Widgets section to narrow things down to the correct item. This ensures you're opening the plugin rather than a file, community post, or anything unrelated. Select the Codia plugin to open it. You'll see its panel launch on top of your canvas ready to run inside your file. Go ahead and click Run. At this point, the plugin will prompt you to log in, sign in with your preferred method, and grant the minimal permissions needed so the plugin can place content into your Figma file. Keep your credentials private and only proceed if you're comfortable with the requested access. With the plugin open, upload your screenshot. PNG or JPG works great. Higher resolution images produce cleaner results because the AI can read edges, text, and spacing more accurately. If you can, use a screenshot without heavy compression or motion blur. You can drag and drop the file or choose it from your computer. After the image is in, click the option that sends the output to Figma, then wait while the AI generates your design. This may take a moment depending on the complexity of the screenshot. You'll see an editable layout appear directly on your canvas. Elements are typically organized into frames and groups so you can move things around, change text, swap colors, or align spacing just like any native Figma design. Fonts may be approximations if the exact typeface isn't available, and certain intricate effects might come in as simplified shapes, which is normal for AI-assisted reconstruction. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.